Best Christmas ever. Happy Vlogmas Day, whatever it is. It is September 13th. We are currently in the parking garage of a Michael's because I need crafting supplies. Looking for beaded embroidery things. For something else, probably. I think I need that. I need glass beads. I don't know. Oh, here. These are glass beads. $5.99. Do I look? $7.99. Those are tiny. I have no idea. Oh my god, no. I'm losing my mind. So excited. I hopped on it. Okay, welcome back to the present. I had a grand idea for this. I was going to have this done already, and then I was just gonna wrap it, and it's gonna be cute, but now it's Vlogmas, and we're gonna do it now. We're gonna do it today. Sit back, relax. We're going to do a bead embroidery keychain for my roommates. So I will be making 5 because I want to make one for myself too. I am currently watching a tutorial on this. I have no idea what I'm doing, but I have felt, some colorful beads, keychain top things, and some kind of thread. The theme is everyone's favorite things. For my boyfriend, his computer, a Lactaid medicine, Barbie razor scooter, last but not least, electric blower. I think now I'm just going to sketch these. I'm just gonna get started. I'm so scared. I fear that maybe I shouldn't have left this close to when I need it, but it's fine. I have given myself 2 days to film this video, just in case anything goes astray, you know? Let's get into it. This is going well, but I'm just like, oh my god, this is gonna take a long time. Let me show you what I have so far. I think I will just keep doing this and then spell out the Lactaid. So far, so good. I think this is cute. I started filming this video at about 10 a.m. and granted, I did sit here and like look up what I wanted to make and all of that, but girl, this is going to take such a long time, which is fine, but I'm like, oh my god, why did I give myself so little time? The outline is done, so I'm just going to do a Lactaid in white and then put the blue around it and then fill everything else out in white. It was down so bad that I started watching Love Island Australia. So this is what we're doing. It is 7 p.m. My back hurts, my neck hurts, but I finished the front of this and it looks amazing. You can tell what that says, right? You can, right? Okay, I have had dinner. I spent a little bit of time away. It is currently 8:30. I was going to do an entire beaded back to this, but I'm just creating so much more work for myself. So I am just going to cut this out and assemble and do the rest of it. So hopefully by tonight at least, I can just have like one completed thing. I do not know how this took nearly 12 hours, but it is really cute. I think you can read it. I think she'll know. Okay, I'm going to go take 10. Maybe I'll come back in an hour. Maybe I'll come back tomorrow. Tomorrow as in same video. I think it looks really good and I cannot show anyone, which is it's killing me. Okay, 1 down, 3 more to go. I think everything should be a little bit easier after this because now I like have worked through some of the kinks, but can't believe I made this. And I think it's like the perfect size too. Oh my God. We're learning, we're growing, we're figuring it out. It is 10 o'clock. I just hate myself so much that I just want to like keep going just a little bit. I just feel unstoppable. I think next I'm going to make the tower, the computer, whatever you want to call it. Since I already made one, I'm going to try to kind of speed through this stuff. I'll do as much as I can tonight. Sleep, wake up, do it again. Hopefully tomorrow I can finish all of them. Good morning. Round 2. I have slept. I have coffee. I am feeling as refreshed as possible. Don't judge me. I'm washing my sheets. I was not anticipating this video taking more than 1 day. Girl, hello. Am I okay? Last night I did the outline for this one. I like messed up some of the threads. Maybe you can see right there. Also broke a thread in the middle of this, so that's fine. I'm like, oh, this is why it's like important to get like good quality thread. It's fine. We will persist. We're gonna get it done. Hopefully just knock out 3 today. And I will say in the daylight, it looks even cuter. Okay, so let's just like get all of this done. I have finished beading this. It looks kind of crazy, but if you know what it is, you'll be able to tell. So now I just have to trim around it, get a little felt piece, attach the 2, and then stuff it, and then just 2 more to go after that. Just like so easy, quick. The current time is 1 p.m. I am very happy, especially from far away, you can tell. Oh my God. Best Christmas ever. This is taking everything from me, but it's worth it. Guess who is halfway done? See, when you put it like that, it doesn't feel so good. But these two are done. I think they look so cute. I love how like squishy they are. Oh my God. We must persist. So let's keep it moving. I was going to do a leaf blower, which sounds crazy, but that's like one of his favorite things. He loves that thing down. But when I was drawing it, I was like, this is looking, how do you say, je ne sais quoi, phallic. And I was like, you know what? I think he would like that more because of it. But personally, I don't want that. So I went with my backup plan of a little heart that says T+J. Which is funny because like this is also mine and my boyfriend. So like if he hates it, I'm gonna tell him just give it back to me. I have my vice. I am watching Love Island Australia. It has gotten to that time. Yes, that is how down bad I am. And it is currently 2:40. So far, so good on this. I'm just gonna get to it. It is 4 o'clock. I want to have everything finished tonight, so I'm just gonna keep chugging along. 5 p.m. and I just finished this. I think it looks kind of ugly. But I'm gonna finish it. I'm going to have dinner and then hopefully, fingers crossed, I can finish the last one tonight. Both wheels are done. I need to do the seat, finish the scooter part, do the handlebar, do the light. Oh, like, well, it's just that easy. Then just, you know, complete the process of everything else. It is currently 10:01. Between yesterday and today, I have watched 12 hours of Love Island Australia. Anywho, I'm just gonna get right back to it, so don't mind me. The current time is 12:03. I started this at 8 a.m. But guess what? I'm done. This looks so cute. It looks like a little moped. It's not, but girl, it's still cute. Okay, well, I'm just like holding 24 hours in my hand right here. I hope everyone likes my labor of love gifts. I think it turned out pretty well. I am really, really happy with them. I hope everyone likes them. I think that they will. I need a very long break from beading things, but I'm really glad I did it. Come back tomorrow because I will be wrapping all of my Christmas gifts and showing like everything that I'm giving this year. Thank you so much for watching. This has taken everything from me. Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow.